Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video here on my channel. Today I will show you how you can add a live follower count to your Twitch streams on Streamlabs OBS. So it's very easy. You're gonna open Streamlabs OBS, come to sources, click plus. You under essentials, you're gonna open stream label, add source. I already have mine added on my other scene. But for the sake of this video, I will add a new source. You can name it whatever you want, like live follower count or whatever you like. Add source under label type. You're gonna drop that down. Just type in follow under total follower count. That's what you want. Uh, and then you can just play around with the settings. You can change font, change color, put on outline if you want. And yeah, just click done, resize it to however you want, put it wherever you want on your stream, and that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I hope this helped. If it helped, please leave a like, subscribe down below. I will drop my Twitch as well down in the description. Feel free to come over there and drop a follow. I'm live almost every day, and I'll see you guys around. Peace out.